You guessed it, we're back out with the Jeep, and today we're doing a quick update on what I've been able to get done with it since we last saw each other. Now, I've been driving it obviously every day along with my other Jeep, trying to keep them on the road as best as possible, but the big one's been fighting me a lot. Let's take a look at what's been going on. The great news is the winch has been sitting on there for about 4 months, but yeah, not hooked up. Now we've got the remote and winch hooked up, and as you can see, it's ready to go. So now we can go try to get it stuck as many places as we can, just to see how we can get ourselves out. So now we have both left and right. And now the next thing we're gonna do are these worn out seats. Now this was the first cover I had ever made for a Jeep, so I really didn't know what I was doing. I was just going based off the old template. So fast forward a year and I've been able to up my ability a little. So we've got full leather seat covers that are gonna go on these. Look very similar to that, and essentially we're just going to put it right on top of the existing covers that are on there. There's no reason to take them off. It won't hurt anything to do so, and what that'll allow me to do is install the seat warmers in between the panels. So there will be both a butt and back seat warmer. They'll kind of go on sideways like this for the seat, and then vertical like that for the back. And this is mainly because, why not? If I'm doing it, might as well go for it. Now my favorite is these custom seat covers. When you make your own, you get an opportunity to do however you want. So again, the same face leather, but the back, we did a nice horse blanket style with a little bit of extra leather on top. So when you reach over the seat, you won't dirty up the horse blanket. But that's the seat cover. Let's go get them on and see how they look. Very important, this next part. If you want this to stick at all, you've got to clean this from all oils because the heated seat pads are adhesive.
If you like these seat covers, you can actually pick up a set of your very own from my eBay store. You can simply search Journeyman Outfitters on eBay, or if you'd like, you can click the description down below. There will be a link for you, and that'll take you right to it. We also have armrest covers that are all available in any variety of color, custom, leather, or if you want a specific type of fabric, we can definitely handle that for you. Now, if you like this video and the progress that we made on the Jeep FC, feel free to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you think I'm doing a decent job. If you think I'm doing not a decent job or crap, feel free to leave that comment down below too. I always love feedback from everybody.